Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can make huge amount of money from YouTube. You don't need to get 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour for start earning. You can start earning from today. You just have to find out a niche for your YouTube channel and then you have to go in YouTube search. Just search your niche. I'm going to search haircut. Then you will get lots of videos in YouTube. You can see some keywords under this video title. If you want to see this kind of keyword or text, you have to download a software. The software name is vidIQ. I'm going to put the download link in the description box. So download the software. It will help you to grow your channel and rank your channel on the top of YouTube. Okay, after search your keyword and you have to click on filter and you have to click on Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a YouTube license. This license allows you to reuse YouTube videos in your channel. You can download YouTube videos which are already uploaded in YouTube. You can download the video and edit it as you wish, and you also can use them in your channel. So you don't need to create your own video. They all are Creative Commons videos. You have legal rights to download them and upload in your channel. So I'm going to open this video. It has lots of views within 1 year. You'll get, it's huge, 4.7 million views within 4 years. Okay, you can download this. You can download all of those videos. I'm going to open it. Okay. After open, you can click on description, show more. Then you can check license of these videos. At the bottom of the description box, you'll see license, Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed. So you can use this video. You can download this video and upload in your channel, and you can make money from this video. Okay, how you can download? You have to search. Just you have to type in Google download YouTube video. Okay, you'll see this link in the first. Okay. You just have to put the video link in this search box. Okay, if you want to download this video, you have to copy this link, copy and paste it here. Then click on start. You will get different qualities. You can download any of them. This is 360 MP4, 720 MP4. Okay, I am going to click on 360. It is low resolution. Then you will get this here. Then you have to click on three dot icon and click on download. Click on download, it will start downloading here. It will take few minutes. Okay, I am not downloading this video. Okay, after download the video, you have to edit this video in any video editing software. Then you have to just modify this video. You can edit as you wish, no worry, and you can upload in your channel. Don't worry about copyright strike. You will never get any copyright strike because you have legal rights to use this Creative Commons video in your channel. So now I'll tell you how you can make money from first day. You don't need to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour. You can start earning from today. You have to, when you upload haircut video, you can go to amazon.com. Then you have to go bottom of this page and you will see become an affiliate. Click on it. You can join for free. You can create your affiliate account for free here. Just click on it and you can create your account. Okay, if your channel is haircut related, if your video is related to haircut, you can find in Amazon haircutting product and promote them in your YouTube video. You can make at least 10% commission per sale. It will be a huge amount, and you also can make money from Google AdSense when you will get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. If you think this video is helpful for you or other people, you can share this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. See you soon.